Listen and circle.
Unit 10. At the zoo. Page 31. Activity 2. Listen and circle. 1.
That's a mango.
2.
That's a mouse.
3.
That's a monkey.
4.
That's my mother.
5.